Okay everybody, today we're going to be working with partitioning some two-digit numbers. When we talk about partitioning, we are breaking up a whole number into its place value parts. So the first number we're going to work with is the number 25. Now the number 25 we can see has 5 ones and 2 groups of 10. So what I'm going to do is get 5 ones out here, 2, 3, 4, 5. To represent our 5 ones. And also, I'm going to get 2 groups of 10. So when we partition, we are breaking up our whole number, especially with 2 digits, into our 1s and our 10s. So, first thing I'm going to do is look at our 10s and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's important to make sure there's 10 in each one. And we're going to count by 10s by going 10, and 20. So I've got 20 in my 10s, and then my 1s I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've broken it down into 2 groups of 10 and 1 group of 5. Now how this is going to look using our part-whole strategy is we pop the 20 and the 5 in here. And if we were to add them together, 20 plus 5, that would equal 25. We're going to do 2 more examples of that exact same technique, and we'll use the 10s and 1 blocks as well. The second one, we're going to do a bit of a trickier one. We're going to do 42 as our number. Okay, so I can see that I've got 2 units, or 2 singles, 2 ones. I'm going to pop them here. And I've got 4 groups of 10. Now I've already counted out our 10s, so I know there's 10 in each one. So I'm just going to pop these in so we can see what it will look like. So if I count out by 10s, I've got 10, 20, 30, and 40. So I'm going to write 40 down right there. And then if I count my 1s, 1 and 2. So if I've partitioned the number 42 into 1 group of 40 and 1 group of 2. We'll do one more example before we finish for today. The last example we will do, let's go with 56. So this time, you can start either with your units or your 10s. We're going to start with the units again, that's because we've been doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll count our 10s, 1, or 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm going to run out of room here, and 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10 are worth 50. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So 56 partitioned is 50 and 6. So hopefully you worked along with us at home, and we will try to do some more examples later on.